If you've recently purchased a Shopify theme from somewhere other than Shopify, you likely received a zip file with your purchase. In order to use your new Shopify theme, you'll need to upload that zip file into your Shopify admin. So to do that, head on over to Online Store in the left-hand navigation, and by default, you will be taken to the Themes page. As you can see here, we're currently using the Debut theme, and this is a free Shopify theme that you can get through Shopify. And if you scroll down the page just a little, down to the theme library area, you'll see that you have a few options. You can explore free themes, which is basically going through all of the free themes that Shopify has to offer. You can also visit the theme store, where you can browse through free and paid Shopify themes. And of course, Shopify isn't the only place where you can buy Shopify themes. I will certainly leave a few links in the description below where you can find other premium Shopify themes. And as much as free themes are great, because they're free, they can be somewhat limited when it comes to features and options and that kind of thing. A premium Shopify theme is going to give you more options when it comes to things like features, designs, and just its overall capabilities as far as an e-commerce theme goes. So let's say you've gone ahead and purchased a theme and you've got that zip file. Head on over to the Upload Theme button, and then browse through your file folders and upload that zip file. Once you see the zip file, go ahead and click on Upload File. And now your zip file has been uploaded. However, that's not the last step. You need to now publish the theme so that it shows up on your eStore. To do that, hover over and click on Actions. You can preview this new theme, or you can just publish it right away. So let's go ahead and preview just to see what it looks like. And here we can see the new theme in action. But let's head back to the Shopify admin. And now that we see what it looks like and we're happy with it, we'll go ahead and publish. And it will ask, are you sure you want to publish this new theme? It will replace your current theme. So let's go ahead and publish. And there you can see the new warehouse theme has been installed and published. So if we head on back to our store and refresh the page, we now see the new theme has been installed and it's ready to go.